In this video, I'm going to show you how you can choose and adjust your website or online store colors with Mozello. First step is to choose the design section on the left side menu and then click on change colors. Then a window will open where you will see multiple color schemes. To pick one, simply click on it and it will be instantly applied to your website and all the elements. Once you're happy with your choice, you can also adjust specific elements. For example, if you want to adjust some elements, go down and there you will see a button Advanced. Once you click on Advanced, a menu will open where you can adjust every single element that you want. For example, we want to adjust the section background 1, that is this green bit here, and we click on it and we can select either the colors that are already in the scheme, or we can adjust them by the slider, or we can also insert the color code if we already have a set color palette. Once you've selected the color, simply click on the button Choose, and that's it. All your website colors have been set.